Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here for the performance report for Nick in North Carolina on this RCI-2970N3. Pay no attention to the flickering of the blue LEDs, that's just an illusion due to the recording. I assure you they are not flickering. Well, we know RCI has the 2970N2, which is recently departed, and then the RCI-2970N4. Well, this right here is supposed to be the middle child. We know we usually see around 200 to 225 peak out of a N2, and somewhere around 600, 525 to 600 peak out of a N4. So let's see what this 2970N3 is going to produce. We're going to start with the RF power all the way down in AM mode with the 250 watt slug. And that's actually 5 watts. I set it for 5 watts so you have full adjustability. If you decide to run a 6 pill or 8 pill, you can set it wherever you need to. RF power all the way open, 50 watts. I'm going to show you average power swing. Low, it's about 160 bird average. Now its big brother, the N4, usually gets up around 190 to 200 average. 500 watt slug and peak. 490 peak. Now the amplifier section on this one houses 8 of the RT1 MOSFET transistors. So far everything I've seen out of them, they seem to be pretty stable. Haven't had any issues out of any. So good job RCI on that. Okay Nick, we're going to send this to you. If you're watching this video and this is something like you're looking for, check us out on the web at www.truckscbsales.com or shoot us an email at truckscbsales@gmail.com. Bum bum.